If you're a business owner using 17 Hats as your all-in-one digital solution, you'll want to keep watching. If you're familiar, I'm sure you know the benefits of using this software to organize your business because it's definitely robust. But if you've been using it a while, you might find that when you have numerous active projects listed under one contact, the emails can start to get a bit disorganized. Stick around to learn how to organize emails within the correct project. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to organize your emails in 17 Hats when you've got more than one project open under that same contact in your system. Stick around to the end because I'll also provide a tip on how to organize your growing list of template documents within 17 Hats. If your whole team is using 17 Hats, then you'll probably want to share this video with them. Okay, let's get started. 17 Hats attaches incoming and outgoing emails to a contact file based on the email address. The system doesn't have a way of knowing which project the email is related to unless you send it from the project file specifically. But then, of course, any reply emails will stay with it. But if you sent the message directly like Gmail or Outlook instead of inside 17 Hats, or let's say the contact initiates the email to you, it can be hard for 17 Hats to know where you want it to be filed. Thankfully, the developers have given us the ability to sort the emails ourselves as described on their help page. When you find an email that is filed in the wrong project, you can just tell it where you'd rather it go. And if you have a bunch of emails to sort, you'll find the list on your dashboard under the header Emails to Sort. You can sort them directly from the dashboard or click into the email itself if you need to read it to determine where it needs to be sorted. But to sort from inside the actual email, just click the drop-down arrow near the To or From section of the email and choose from your list of projects on which one you'd like it filed with. It's as easy as that. As promised, I also want to share with you some tips for organizing your document and email templates as a thank you for staying with me to the end. It's important to know that 17 Hats organically organizes your files in alphabetical order. That's only so helpful when you've got tons of items to organize. I recommend to my clients that you do one of two things when you're naming your templates. One, you can organize them into phases of your workflow. So for example, here I have an exploratory call phase of my workflow at the beginning, and then at the end I do a feedback request. And so because of that, I've used capital letters to indicate which phase I'm in of that workflow. Another option though is to use a numbering system, which I'm going to show you here above. So in this numbering system, there is a phase 1 for the new lead capture and phase 2, which is the onboarding of new clients, and phase 3, which is when they are an active client. Now, you may see a third number there, and the third number indicates which step of the workflow that template is used for in that phase. So, with that being said, there are a number of steps within a phase, and those steps all need their own number as well. Even with the numbering system, I still use capital letters to indicate which phase I'm in, and then I go on to explain the use of the document and how it's used. And I always finish off with a descriptor that indicates what type of email it is. If you found this video helpful, then you should give it a thumbs up and share a comment below about how you intend to put this new knowledge to use. To learn more, visit our website. But for other sneak peeks into technology designed to improve your productivity, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.